I would like to request all of you to think that already the speaker said that you need to initiate the plantation. But I would like to give you the more, not only the simple plantation, but bamboo plantation. Why bamboo plantation? Because each matured bamboo tree absorbs 650 kg of CO2 in a year and emits 300 kg of oxygen in a year. Imagine about that, of all of our highways, both sides of the highways in our country is made of bamboo plantation. Directly we are going to get 4 benefits. Number 1, see the aesthetic value of the roads. Both sides bamboo. So aesthetically the whole roads will become like anything. People will go for driving. People will go for driving not only to just to see the aesthetic value, but also people will drive in a carbon neutral road. Because say 1 lakh of bamboo tree, just for your information, bamboo grows very faster, at least 1 feet in a day compared to any other plant. So that the maturity time is around 3 years. Once it gets matured, and only one plantation is required because it creates झार. एक के साथ पूरा आ जाता है, 25-30 आ जाते हैं. So only one time investment, one plant you grow. So it will make another 25 numbers, let's say 20 numbers. You plant 1 lakh of bamboo tree, and each tree after matured 650 kg of CO2 emission it will reduce. So you just calculate the number, and each number showing what the initially it shows that how it is connected to the credit earning. Plus what you can do, another three benefit that we are going to get from bamboo plantation is that one matured bamboo tree after 3 years you can convert into charcoal. Bamboo charcoal. Why bamboo charcoal? We have the technology now. As it's now we are very rich in technology. Bamboo charcoal is having almost 7,000 kilocalorie per kg calorific value, while the coal is around 4,500 to 5,000 kilocalorie. So bamboo charcoal, again, we have the government of India has mandated that 25% of green fuel has to be introduced in all power plant. Imagine only North is having more than 3,000 bricks making factory, and how much CO2 is emitting per day. All this bricks making. If you convert to the bamboo charcoal over there, you think about that, what is the carbon credit you are going to earn from that. So that means bamboo charcoal, again you can convert using some technology called activated carbon. And you know that the value of activated carbon in cosmetic industries. It's a huge value at this moment. Also you can convert into bamboo salt. So these are byproduct. And finally through that you can also go for the very huge amount of earning of carbon credit.